You want to intro it? Babe, you know what? Some people were commenting about my long hair and telling me to cut it, and you know what I have to say to them? No! I'm gonna send some love your way soon, I promise.
About it, she told me don't worry no more. We both know you can't go without. She told me you'll never be alone. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it. Oh, I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it.
When it comes to being Canadian though, me and Courtney are at like the bottom of the quality of Canadian totem pole. Because I literally don't even own winter boots. We're climbing a mountain right now to go hiking. I'm in my Timberland. Legit do not have winter boots. I'm also wearing an Adidas thing over a sweater. I don't even have a winter jacket, so. It's like the world's largest crow. And I actually happen to think that the flow is quite nice, so. Right, babe? Do you like the flow? Hello, sick pants. Do you like the flow?
I do.
She does. Lace up.
Oh, I love it. I can feel my face when I'm with you, but I love it.
This is literally just how the snow fell on these trees. It looks like two parrots.
Me, at least we're both enough. And she'll always get the best of me.
Oh no, you can't. You cannot walk backwards in these. Okay, I'll just over the shoulder chat with you. How you doing?
Good.
Courtney's a noob. This is her first time snowshoeing, which isn't really a difficult task, but it's a little weird because they're kind of floppy. That's what Courtney says. You guys have been in the backpack for about an hour now. Haven't missed much. Same old, same old. Literally just walking in a winter wonderland. There's supposed to be like a lookout out here, but I don't think you guys are gonna get to see much, or neither are we really, because this is like way up, like we're above the clouds. So you need like a super clear day to see anything, and today is just not super clear. Hot dog, dude. We made it. Oh, we might actually get a little view. Look, you can see the clouds rising. You see that?
Yeah.
You can see it evaporating. That's wild. That is the craziest thing.
And I know she'll be the death of me. At least we're both enough. And she'll always get the best of me. The worst is yet to come. All the misery was necessary when we're deep in love. Yes, I know. Yeah, girl, I know. She told me don't worry about it. She told me don't worry.
That's one of the views you have to be there to appreciate, because if you're not, you just don't really get it, because it's really, really cloudy, and today just wasn't like a good view for the video. But I thought it was super cool how you could see the evaporation. You could like see the clouds raising into the sky. I thought that was really cool. But I also don't think you guys understand how deep the snow is. Yeah, but not about the sign, but like look at you. The snow is literally taller than you right now. Like if you go to the height right here, the snow is taller than Courtney. It's not a nice photo because this side's ugly, but it's just to prove a point to the lads on the video. On a slide. Not gonna work. It's not gonna work. Anyways, I'm not gonna film the rest coming back because it's gonna be exactly the same as our way here. So what are you up to? Courtney gets blisters because she's a sissy. Anyways, I'm sorry the view was not the best for you guys. I'll catch you guys when we get back home because we need to talk. Oh, thank God. Almost all the snow is gone. This is like all that's left because the sun is over there all the time and the house is in the way of this, but car's finally clean. It was only here for about a week, but in making videos terms, it makes it really hard to make videos, especially because, you know, everything that involves. I didn't want to drive my car, but it's like installing parts and stuff you just really can't do when everything's frozen solid. So hopefully this week we'll be getting back into the install game. Okay, so let's talk. So, where do I want to talk to you guys? So I apologize for lately. I've been super duper slacking on getting out my videos Monday, Wednesday, Friday like I promised. I've been doing a lot of other stuff, and I'm gonna just try and balance you guys right here. Is this gonna work? I don't think this is gonna work. I'll just screw the mount on, I guess. I've been busy making the website for the company that's coming out for the clothing, for the brand. I don't work with anybody for any of these things. I do this all myself. So I'm like doing the clothing designs, getting it made, dealing with the website, the shipping, the 3D printed stuff, dealing with that. There's a million things I gotta do. I don't just doing it myself, not trying to like put myself above anybody. I'm just saying like that's what I'm doing. I also have the opportunity to maybe start a company on my own, not like sort of YouTube related. It involves video creating and stuff. Not really gonna get into it yet. However, it's gonna involve a lot of time. It's gonna take a lot of me and take me away from a lot of things. And my main job right now, like my work, has been steady lately, which is good. I need that because we need to be able to do things and afford doing mods to the car and afford the house and everything. So it's all good. I've just been super busy. So what I'm gonna do, I don't owe you guys this or anything, but I just like to tell you guys. So for the next little while, I'll say, we're gonna do 2 videos a week, try for 3, but we're gonna change the scheduling. So right now you guys are getting Monday, Wednesday, Friday. You guys are gonna get Tuesday, Thursday, and if you're lucky, a Saturday. Because it's just been too much for me to try on Monday, Wednesday, Friday it, and have a good video. There's a couple I tried and they just were junk because I was just trying to put out videos, and I don't wanna give you guys that. I wanna give you guys, like I put on my board up here that you guys can't see because it's still not hung on the wall. I wanna do my best, and if I can't give you my best, you guys aren't gonna get it. So we're gonna cut down to 2 videos, not forever, but for now. I'm sure once summer comes, depending on what happens with this other company that I'm thinking about doing, we'll see. There's a lot of things that have to play out, but for now, same time, 12:30 PST, Tuesday, Thursday, and if you guys are lucky, because I had a bad day at work, or a slow day at work, I meant to say, not bad, y'all get 3 videos. I gotta go make some tacos, because it's dinner time, and what's Saturday without tacos? Because we do Taco Saturday in this house, and if you don't do Taco Saturday in your house, I'll let you in a little secret. Your house is lame. So I'm gonna let you guys go. I will see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys are excited for what's to come. I know it sucks, and sometimes it takes a little while to get where you want to be, and there's things like this, but I just like to let you guys know that you're not looking for videos Monday and they don't come, and then Tuesday they come, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out, and stay committed.